Hello students, welcome to the online class of Geography of class 10. Now today I am going to proceed with the map pointing of the two chapters. Chapter number 4, that is the agriculture, and chapter number 5, that is mineral and energy resources. Now as per your board syllabus, the plottings which are there for your agriculture chapter, number 1, major areas of rice. I am proceeding with the marking of the major areas of rice. Now it is there from this middle part of Uttar Pradesh. It is there from the middle part of that Uttar Pradesh and coming down to the part of Madhya Pradesh, this part, then it is touching the bit eastern Maharashtra, going to this part of Telangana, moving to the coastal part of Andhra Pradesh, and then coming to the center part of this in this part of Andhra Pradesh, and again it is going to this edge of this Tamil Nadu region. This edge of this Tamil Nadu region. Okay. Now it is also there in the part of bit is there in Goa. Then it is there in the edge, it is there in the edge of this part of Kerala. Even it is there in the northern part of this West Bengal region, Assam entirely, this upper this Assam region. Okay. Now here I am just moving the cursor over here. You can find out there are some places where you can find out white areas. These are the areas which is not totally where there is no which has not been marked out with the dark green shade, and even it is the areas where we are not having any this is the area. Okay, I am just pointing out with a very fine line where you will where I am just pointing out that area, a very fine line where the cultivation is not there for the rice. Because this part, why the cultivation is not there? Because it has become bit thicker. It is a narrow. You can follow the NCERT book. Next, very sorry. It is in the plateau of the Orissa also it is there. In the plateau of Orissa also a part is there where there is no that is rice cultivation, and even in this lower Chhattisgarh region where there is a blank white space that indicates where there is no cultivation of the rice. So now I am just pointing out the 3 dots over here, this area, and this area. These 3 dots which is where there is no rice cultivation. Plateau region is there and the densely forested area. So there is no major areas for the rice cultivation. Now the next map that I am going to show is with the major areas of the wheat. Major areas of the wheat. It is coming from this part of this Kashmir region. It is moving to this just edge of this Uttarakhand and Himachal is being left out, and then it's moving to from this part of Rajasthan, covering entire Punjab, Haryana, covering the part of Madhya Pradesh. It's the major areas, so it is moving to this, leaving that part of Madhya Pradesh and then moving to this part of Uttar Pradesh, coming down, touching the edge of this eastern Madhya Pradesh. Chhattisgarh is not there in the part of Maharashtra is there, and then it is joining this part of Madhya Pradesh. So this entire area, this entire area is the major wheat producing areas. Okay. Now the next map is there. Next part of the agriculture is there just to plot the important state for the crops. Now in this map we are going to plot the major producing state for the some of the crops. Number one is sugarcane. We know the leading producer of the sugarcane is Uttar Pradesh. So we'll just put a dot over here. We'll put a dot over here, and that will show the leading producer of the sugarcane. Okay, number one. Number two, it's for the tea. The leading producer state for the tea is Assam. The leading producer state for the tea is Assam. Next, the leading producer state for the coffee is Now coffee is basically there for the Nilgiris. So you will just plot where there is a junction for Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Karnataka. That is the leading producer part for the coffee, Nilgiri zone. Now next it is there for the cotton. The leading producer for the cotton is Maharashtra. The leading producer state for cotton is Maharashtra. And lastly, jute. The leading producer state for the jute is West Bengal. The leading producer state for the jute is West Bengal. So you can see you have to do it in this order. You have to write down the name of the states. Here it is not mentioned. You have to write the name of the state, and then you have to make the index on the map by using the color that you have indicated. So Uttar Pradesh is there for sugarcane, then tea is there for Assam, then cotton is there Maharashtra, then comes coffee, the green one, which is there for Nilgiri zone, that is the tri-junction of Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, and lastly the brown color indicates over here, that is the jute, West Bengal. Now this is the map pointing for your chapter number 5. I have completed the agriculture chapter map pointing with the major areas of rice and wheat, and the plotting for the producing states for the some crops that as per your syllabus. Now in this mineral map, as per your syllabus, there are some plotting for the iron ore mines. Now the first iron ore mine that is there is Mayurbhanj, which is there in this northern part of Orissa, This is Mayurbhanj. Then Durg area, you can see how will you just find it out? You just come from the boundary of Madhya Pradesh and come from the boundary of Madhya Pradesh, this part, or Maharashtra boundary, and then this edge is we are having the Durg area. Okay. Now just move to the southern tip of Chhattisgarh, move to this part of Chhattisgarh, and this is Bailadila, Bailadila mines of Chhattisgarh. Then you can see this curved part of Karnataka. This is the Bellary mines of Karnataka. And then just move diagonally towards this western part of it, and this is Kudarmukh mines. Okay. So the first symbol, the first symbol is there for the red indicates the iron mines. Okay, I am repeating once again. What are the mines? Mayurbhanj, Durg, Bailadila, Bellary, and lastly it is Kudarmukh. These are there in your syllabus, that is iron ore mines. Rest, no more minerals are there. Then it is directly there for the coal fields. It is there for the coal mines. Now it is there for the coal mines. Now coal mines, the number one plotting is there for Raniganj. It is there for Raniganj. Just bit above of that Tropic of Cancer. It is just above that Tropic of Cancer, Raniganj. Okay. Then with that parallel to that same, but it is in the state of Jharkhand. It's bit this portion, that is Bokaro. Next we will move to Orissa. And it is situated in this part of Orissa, that is Talcher region. And then we are having the lignite reserves of Tamil Nadu, that is there present over here, that is Neyveli. So these four are there as a coal fields. These four are there as a coal fields. These are there as a coal fields. Black indicates iron ore mines and red indicates iron ore mines and black indicates coal fields. Okay. Now next we will move to a different tinge. That is petroleum. We will move to a different tinge, that is petroleum. We are having the petroleum. The first oldest mine is the Digboy. The oldest mine is Digboy. Then just diagonal below that, within that Assam region, is the Nahar Katia. Nahar Katia. This is Digboy, this is Nahar Katia. Then directly we will move to offshore coal fields. Number one, Bhasen, and bit closer to coastal part is Mumbai High. This is Bhasen and this is Mumbai High. And again the two onshore, one is Ankaleshwar and one is Kalol. So just below Tropic of Cancer, this is Kalol, and it is adjacent to this part is Ankaleshwar. So these yellow one indicates the oil fields. Two extreme are there in the northeast. Number one is Digboy and number two is Digboy and number two is that is Nahar Katia. Digboy and Nahar Katia. And then here we are having Bhasen and here we are having Mumbai High, and this is Kalol and this is Ankaleshwar. So I have completed the distribution of the mineral and the energy resources. Now next is related to the power plants. Now this one I am going to do with the power plant. That is the last topic for your map pointing. Number 1, I'll proceed with the thermal power plants. As per your syllabus, the thermal power plants which is there, number 1, it is there in the extreme northeast, Namrup. Then it is there in this eastern part of Madhya Pradesh, Singrauli. Then it is located in the northern part of, that is Telangana, Ramagundam. These are there as your thermal power plant. These 3 are there as your thermal power plants. Namrup in the northeast, eastern part is there for the Singrauli, and Telangana region we are having Ramagundam. Now next we are having the nuclear power plants. Now the nuclear power plants, the first one is there in this part of Uttar Pradesh, that is Narora. Then we are having one in this part of Gujarat, that is Kakrapara. Then we are having just below that the edge of Maharashtra, this part is Tarapur, and lastly we are having in this part of Tamil Nadu, that is Kalapakkam. So you can see these are the plottings that is there related to your power plants. Your power plants, number 1, this is thermal power plant Namrup. Number 2, thermal power plant Singrauli. Number 3, thermal power plant Ramagundam. And nuclear power plant number 1 Narora, nuclear power plant number 2 Kakrapara, nuclear power plant number 3 Tarapur, nuclear power plant number 4 is Kalapakkam. So these are there. You please do these plottings in your map book as per the board syllabus. All these are there for your board syllabus. So please do the work in your map book and complete each and every map pointing according to the portion that I have completed. If you are having any doubts, just without any hesitation, mention it in the comment section. And thank you for following today's class. Have a nice day.